Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be making a vintage recipe, poor man's spam. So what all goes into the poor man's spam? 1/2 cup to 1 cup chopped onion, 1 can spam chopped, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 can green beans drained, and you can use French or you can use cut or you can use Italian, whatever you want, and 1 can ro-tel undrained. So let's begin. Take a large skillet. I have the heat set at medium, and add your oil. Then add your 1/2 to 1 cup chopped onions and saute them. And I just cut up a small onion, which was about a cup. So I will saute these and I'll be right back. All right, so the onions have been sauteing. They are getting soft. So we want to add the spam. And that's 1 full can of spam cut into chunks. And we'll saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so they are done sauteing. I let them go a little bit longer so they could get a little bit more of a brownish color to it. That way it's kind of more fried, and I think we're gonna like that a lot better. Next we'll add the can of green beans. Make sure that it is drained. And the can of ro-tel tomatoes, and make sure that it is not drained. Turn down the heat to medium low or low and let it simmer for 15 minutes. So here is the poor man's spam served over rice, and rounding out the meal is cherry, almond, gorgonzola. I'll get my husband to do a taste test.
Now what is this?
Poor man's spam.
Poor man's spam. Okay.
Spam, 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 spam.
This all goes together pretty well. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.